The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to bring some interesting upgrades for vloggers and content creators. It is still unconfirmed, but leaks suggest DJI is making small but meaningful changes instead of a complete redesign. These updates could improve usability, performance, and overall experience while keeping the camera compact and easy to carry. If the leaks are true, the Pocket 4 will have a bigger and better screen, a stronger camera, and improved stabilization, which could make a big difference for those who rely on handheld shooting. One of the most exciting rumors is the upgraded rotating OLED screen, which could be easier to see in bright conditions. The camera itself is also expected to get a boost with a 1-inch sensor and better autofocus. Battery life might also improve, which is great for longer filming sessions. If all of these features turn out to be true, the Pocket 4 could be a solid choice for anyone looking for a portable yet powerful camera. One of the biggest rumored changes is the size. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be slightly larger, around 190 grams, while still compact enough for handheld use. This size increase might be necessary to fit a larger 2.5-inch rotating OLED screen, which is a step up from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is said to have a resolution of 480 by 800 with a brightness of 800 nits. This could make it much easier to view in bright outdoor settings, especially for vloggers who record on the go. If DJI has also improved the rotation mechanism and durability, it could make a real difference in usability. The overall grip and ergonomics could also see some improvements. DJI might be adding a better grip texture and adjusting the button layout to make the camera more comfortable to hold and use. While this might not sound like a major change, small refinements like these can make a big difference, especially for users who film for long periods. The camera itself is rumored to have a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This setup could improve image quality significantly, especially in low-light situations. The ISO range is expected to be 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for still images, which could allow more flexibility in different lighting conditions. Another exciting upgrade could be the addition of 10-bit color, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, which would allow for better color accuracy and improved dynamic range in post-production. Another big rumor is that the Pocket 4 might support 4K recording at 240 frames per second, which is double the slow motion capability of the Pocket 3. This would be a great feature for action shots, fast-moving scenes, or creative slow-motion sequences. These improvements could be made possible by a new processor, which is expected to improve workflow speeds, real-time HDR previews, and overall image processing. If this turns out to be true, it could make a big difference in how fast and efficiently the camera handles footage. Autofocus performance has been a common issue with previous Osmo Pocket models, and DJI might be addressing this with phase detection autofocus and eye tracking. If implemented correctly, this could result in smoother and more reliable focus, which is important for vlogging and capturing fast-moving subjects. The Active Track system is also rumored to be upgraded to version 7.0, which could improve subject tracking accuracy and responsiveness. Battery life might also see an improvement, with leaks suggesting up to 200 minutes of recording time compared to the 166 minutes of the Pocket 3. Charging could also be faster, with reports saying a full charge might take just 25 minutes. This could be a big advantage for users who need to film for long periods without waiting too long for a recharge. Better heat management is also mentioned, which could help prevent overheating during extended recording sessions. Stabilization is another key area where DJI seems to be making improvements. The Pocket 4 is expected to combine mechanical 3-axis stabilization with enhanced electronic stabilization. If done well, this could result in much smoother footage, even in demanding shooting conditions. This would make handheld shooting more reliable, especially when walking or capturing action shots. As of now, these are just leaks and rumors. Nothing is officially confirmed until DJI makes an announcement. But if these improvements turn out to be real, the Pocket 4 could be a great upgrade for those looking for a compact yet powerful camera. The combination of a larger screen, a better sensor, improved autofocus, and longer battery life could make it a solid choice for vloggers and content creators. What do you think about these rumored features? Do you think these upgrades make the Pocket 4 worth waiting for? Let me know in the comments and stay tuned for more updates on Factix.